Hi there, Amelia here from Doxy.me. Let's take a quick look at Dashboard. Your home base for managing visits, inviting patients, getting ready for calls, and finding support when you need it. We'll walk through it from left to right. On the left side, you'll see your main navigation in the sidebar. Dashboard brings you back here anytime. Apps lets you customize your experience with tools and features that fit your practice. And analytics and history help you track usage, view past appointments, and spot trends in your workflow. Next is My Room. This is where patients appear once they've checked in for a visit. Each patient card shows the patient's name and how long they've been waiting. If you work with a team, this area may appear as rooms instead of My Room. You can go here to view the rooms you have access to and keep track of patients in each. Open a patient card to chat with your patient, transfer them to another provider if you work with a team, confirm their device setup, or start a video or audio call right away. If your plan includes group call, this is also where you can start a session with everyone present in one click. Inviting patients is simple. In the middle of the dashboard, you'll find your waiting room link. This is the link patients use to check in for their appointment. Click Copy Link to copy it, then share it with your patient however you prefer. You can also use Invite Via to send an invite directly from Doxy.me by text or email. Doxy.me sends the invitation on your behalf, helping keep your contact information private. Before you start a call, check out the self-preview video on the right side of the dashboard. This lets you see how you'll appear to patients before the call begins. You can adjust your camera and microphone and add a virtual background if it's available on your plan. And finally, in the lower right corner, you'll see the Help button. Click here anytime you need support, want to search the Help Center, or have a question while using Doxy.me. From check-in to call, Dashboard brings the most important parts of your Doxy.me workflow into one place.